What's up, everybody? We just pulled up to the Orlando Kissimmee KOA. Actually, my name's Griff. Hello, by the way, and this is Alyssa.
Hi.
So we're going to get set up everything right here. Alyssa's setting up the RV right now, organizing everything in there. I'm going to set up the water real quick, and then we'll show you guys around. This campground's really well kept, guys. Looks super nice, super clean. So we've been using the Clear Source Ultra. It's a pretty neat water filter, and I know some of you guys swear by it. You swear by the city water is fine. There's no minerals or no stuff and everything in it, but it's us. It's us. We like the water filter. It keeps things from getting inside of your water. So when I hook this thing up, we'll have nice, clean drinking water for the next couple of days. It's a rock solid win. This video is not sponsored by them, but they did gift us this. I'll show you guys in a second. This thing's actually pretty easy to hook up. It's about 45 pounds. This is what it looks like, by the way. So it has 3 chambers, filters through from the water hose, which I'll hook up on this side here. Oh, this is a regulator. These are super helpful, super handy. Check it out. So screw that thing on right here. Once that's good and tight, this is already locked on. I'm gonna take the actual water hose. You take this water hose right here. I don't know if you guys can see me. And then you're gonna put it right here on this side here. Let's go for a field trip. So this is all set up nice and easy. So I'm gonna grab this hose right here, and I'm going to go ahead and install it, hook it up right there. There we go, hook it up right there. So we're all set up with water. Check this out. Hose, Clear Source, filter the water from the ground into the 3 chambers, outside, in through this hose, into our RV, and then let's see if Alyssa has a little bit of water. So I'm gonna turn this here, see if there's any water leaking. I'll probably end up tightening that a little bit. It's going through here. No kink hose. Let's go see what Alyssa looks like on the inside. This whole process to me, like hooking up water, is fascinating to me. It's really, really cool. Let's see what Alyssa's up to. Hey, how's it going?
Fine.
Tell everybody what happened.
So yesterday, we went to this cute little Christmas tree farm, and I bought this beautiful Christmas cactus. Well, I had it in the bag with the rest of my plants, and the air fryer kind of started traveling a little bit during our move, and the lid flew and landed on my cactus.
So Alyssa has the most terrible luck with living plants.
Look at this.
Oh man.
Oh, that's
bad.
There's more in the bag. It's fine. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. So I told him that you were gonna get the water started, and we're gonna check this, and we have water, and so the regulator is gonna make sure that no water keeps shooting out like missiles. So looks good.
Hi. I'm really excited. So tonight we are going to make s'mores by the campfire, and I know what you're thinking, Alyssa, why haven't you done that yet? We haven't really had the means to. We haven't had either good weather and or a fire at all. So this is our very first campfire in our RV.
Fire pit.
Fire pit.
Fire.
But here at this KOA, their little convenience store, they are selling stuff for s'mores and firewood. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna look around, we're gonna buy some things because that's what we do. And then later we're gonna have s'mores.
Let's go. Guys, check this out. This is a s'mores scented candle. Look at this.
So what?
What do you
it's
think?
Candle Day.
Candle Day?
Well, at Bath and Body Works, but this is a candle, so it's Candle Day.
For $10.95.
can't smell it through my mask, but I'm sure it smells very good.
What'd you find?
An entire kit for s'mores. Look, everything in one box.
Oh, check that out. So, let me see what's all included. Marshmallows, guavaves, that's how you say it in Spanish. Chocolate bars, graham crackers, and s'more sticks. So, nicely done, KOA. Check it out. So, guys, if you ever want to do s'mores, and you just want to get the whole kit, they sell them right here in the convenience store right on the site. Super cool.
Super excited.
So we need 1 or 2. And these right here are fire starters?
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen any of them. Like, it looks like coconut shreds.
That's what it says over there. So.
Now, something that KOAs do. Welcome to Orlando, Kissimmee KOA. Your guest, Griffin. So that's us right here, which is pretty cool. So, all right. So we used our KOA gift card.
Yes, and I didn't know that was a thing before we started camping. So I know what I'm asking for Christmas, because not only can you use it to reserve your stays, but you can also buy fun things at the camp stores.
Cool.
Perfect camping trip.
You know, whenever you use one of these, it's like a fire starter. To me, it looks like a shredded coconut and like.
Yeah, it looks like something I want to eat.
Yeah, it looks kind of good. What are you eating?
A marshmallow.
So, guys, we're actually about to go start a fire. I don't know if you can see that little fire pit right there. We're gonna get that started for us and see. And just hang out, talk, drink some wine, and probably see you guys when we see you guys at the fire. But before we do that, I think we should end the age-old debate of what goes on a s'more.
That's a very important question.
What do you put on a s'more?
I like to put Reese's on s'mores. Specifically the dark chocolate Reese's, but they didn't have those, so I'm opting for the milk chocolate regular version. But I also saw the recipe for one that had a peppermint patty, and I'm sad I didn't buy those because that sounds delicious.
Guys. And for me, I'm more of a white chocolate cookies and cream in between the graham crackers with a marshmallow, or elevate the flavors just a little bit and do like a sea salt caramel. The marshmallow and the graham cracker crisp. Let us know how you make your perfect s'more. Give the recipe in the description, not in the description, but in the comment section below, and share it. But we got some Snickers, we got some Reese's, mushrooms. We do have mushrooms.
I did buy mushrooms today, but not for s'mores.
Not those kind of mushrooms. They're like food, whatever, vegetables. But marshmallows. And let's just go do it. All right, so looks like it's coming along pretty nicely. Alyssa's getting the s'mores set up over here, I think.
Yep.
All good over there.
Yep.
And here are our beach chairs from Tommy Bahama, because the homie knows how to set a party. So Alyssa just informed me on the proper way of roasting a marshmallow, and from my quick observation, you're not supposed to stick it directly into the fire. Actually, you're supposed to put it in like little hot pockets, right?
Look at that, baby.
That's roast. That's El Fuego. How's your s'more?
It's pretty darn good.
What'd you put on yours again?
This time I did dark chocolate, but the one before was a Reese's and it was very good.
Ooh, guys, I did the Snickers in the center. See if you can see that. So I did. So I did the Snickers combo, and it's pretty dang good. I don't know if you guys can see that, but Oly Bear, get out of that.
You're like, for me?
My dad's calling. Let me take that.
Oh.
Well, hello.
Hi.
So what's going on here?
I got a buddy.
Hey.
She likes sitting in chairs, which I think is adorable. Anyhow, I have a very important question. So we've been making s'mores, but I need to know what is the best way to roast a s'more. So, Olivia, I personally love them burnt to a crisp. I love sticking it straight into the fire, super black, all the ashes, love it.
Super black.
Super black.
Like my husband.
Like my husband, super black. But I know a lot of people like barely like it roasted. So what is the perfect way to roast roast a marshmallow? Let us know in the comment section below.
Oly Bear, what do you think?
How do you like your marshmallows?
How do you like your marshmallows?
She's like, yummy.
Puppy, a few words, I see. A few barks? Puppy, a few barks.
Well, that's not true, but...
Guys, the fire's it's dwindling, and so are we.
I'm dwindling.
So, we're probably
Always
gonna
very
see
dwindled.
we're gonna see you guys in the morning. Alyssa's gonna do the transition where she like touches the camera with her hand, and then we wake up and it's the morning. I don't know if you guys ever seen us do that. All YouTubers do it. Go ahead and give it a shot.